What is download? Download transfers the execution data from HMI in Yokogawa systems, HIS, to the controllers. And sometimes it is not only HMI, it can be some other programming tools. So we just edit it and download into controllers. The execution data is a database containing the application logic to be copied on to the CPU. So basically there are three types of download: offline download, online download, and IOM download. Next slide, I will explain the difference between them. In offline download, during the download, the functions running on the controller stop and resume the operation after the completion of download. The system prompts for confirmation, a message appears, and we click OK to confirm the download. In online download, the functions running in the controller keep operating during the download as well. And the examples: creation, modification of application logic, creation, deletion of IO cards, creation, modification of user-defined windows. So basically, the difference between offline and online download is during offline download, the controller must be stopped, and it will, after the completion of download, it will resume its operation. So all functions in the controllers will be stopped in offline download. So it means in running plant, it is difficult to do offline download. But in online download, it doesn't stop. The controller doesn't stop, just updates and keeps operating. The point is we cannot do all download as online download. So sometimes there's a requirement to do offline download. That's why we need to take some measures and to operate offline download. And there are the third type, IOM download. We do IOM download when we replace IO cards, input-output model. When we replace it, just we do IOM download to the new card. It will get all the active data. That's all.